Swing check valve has a single flap or disc which opens inside the valve body only in one direction. Swing check valve is of robust design, long lasting, and leak tightness is very good. It reduces water hammer, but pressure drop through it is more because disc opens upward by fluid pressure against gravity. Swing check valves are recommended to use for sizes from 2 inch to 24 inch and should not be used for sizes above 24 inch size because disc weight will be huge, causing huge pressure drop through the valve. Swing check valves should be installed in horizontal piping. From pressure drop point of view, dual plate or dual flap type check valve always better, but if any contractual obligation is there, then we are bound to use swing check valve. Now let us check pressure drop through a 24-inch or 600 NV swing check valve. Weight of a 24-inch swing check valve is about 1200 kg. Weight of swing check disc and arm is approximately 10% of valve weight equals to 120 kg. Disc lifting force equals to disc area into pressure. Disc area of 24-inch swing check valve equals to 3.14 into 60 centimeter dia into 60 centimeter dia divided by 4 equals to 2826 centimeter square. So required disc lifting pressure, that means pressure drop, equals to lifting force divided by disc area equals to 120 divided by 2826 equals to 0.04 kg per centimeter square equals to 40 millibar. Then let us check pressure drop for a 32 inch, that means 800 NV swing check valve. Weight of 32-inch swing check valve is approximately 3000 kg. Weight of swing disc and arm approximately 10% of valve weight equals to 300 kg. Disc lifting force equals to disc area into pressure. Disc area of 32-inch swing check valve equals to 3.14 into 80 centimeter dia into 80 centimeter dia divided by 4 equals to 5024 centimeter square. So required disc lifting pressure, that means pressure drop, equals to lifting force divided by disc area equals to 300 divided by 5024 equals to 0.06 kg per centimeter square equals to 60 millibar. Now coming to multi-port swing check valve, it is a modified design of single disc swing check valve. For large size more than 24 inch, if swing check valve is used, then there will be huge pressure drop due to very high weight of the disc. Hence, in case of larger size valve, 2 or 3 ports are provided with swing disc so that disc weight will be less and pressure drop will also be less. These discs are mounted on port of a inclined diaphragm plate or partition plate inside the valve. Cross-sectional area of all ports or discs should be approximately equal to pipe cross-sectional area. Since all discs are open parallelly, pressure drop through one disc will be the pressure drop through the entire valve. This type of multi-port swing check valve should be installed in horizontal piping. This is a picture of a multi-port swing check valve having 3 ports and 3 discs. And this is a picture of multi-port swing check valve having 2 ports and 2 discs. Now let us see what will be pressure drop through a 32-inch or 800 NV multi-port swing check valve. We have already seen disc area of 32-inch swing check valve equals to 5024 centimeter square and pressure drop through 32-inch swing check valve equals to 60 millibar. For 32-inch multi-port swing check valve, two numbers of 24-inch swing check ports can be provided so that total disc area of two numbers 24-inch swing check discs shall be 2 into 3.14 into 60 centimeter dia into 60 centimeter dia divided by 4 equals to 5652 centimeter square, which meets disc area of one 32-inch swing check valve, and pressure drop through 32-inch multiport swing check valve equals to pressure drop through each 24-inch swing check valve equals to 40 millibar. So, if we use 32-inch single flap swing check valve, then pressure drop will be 60 millibar. But if we use 32-inch multiport swing check valve, then pressure drop will be 40 millibar. So, pressure drop through a single flap swing check valve shall be about 1.5 times of pressure drop through a multiport swing check valve. This is GA drawing of this 32-inch, that means 800 NB multiport swing check valve. This is the diaphragm or partition plate on which two numbers of 24-inch ports with discs are mounted. Disc opens like this. Now you can see an installation of this 32-inch multiport swing check valve on a cooling water pump discharge line.